Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a easy beginner brow tutorial. So at first I am going to take my spoolie and brush my hair up. Then I am gonna go with a dark brown pencil. I am outlining the bottom part of my brows. I am going slowly because I don't want it to be too dark, and also I want to make sure that I get the shape and I like the shape. And if anything, I could just like erase it. So up next, I'm going to the top. I am starting like in the middle of the top. Then once I'm done, I like it, then I go back and do it a little darker. I'm filling it a little darker. Remember, don't go all the way up front when you reach at the top. Then I'm going to take the spoolie, I'm brushing and I'm erasing that harsh line and make sure that I blend the brow pencil correctly, and I do it until I like it. And then I am going with my Ingra brush. I am dipping it into my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow duo in the color of ebony. I am slowly building the color, especially at the end of my arch. Slowly, and make sure I like the color, I like the shape and everything. Once I'm satisfied, I'm gonna go up front with the same brush. I didn't dip it again. Just like lightly put it in front of my brows, just lightly. Then I'm taking my spoolie again. I'm brushing and blending everything together. We brushing, we blending. We need to be snatched, so that's what we're doing. Once I'm satisfied, I am going to take my concealer one shade or two shade lighter than my skin, and I am going to slowly correct the places and basically carving out and making your eyebrows pop, girl. Like, this step, it's crucial to me. I mean, I feel like it's crucial to me because it makes my eyebrows snatch even more. Once I'm done carving out my brows and correcting all the imperfection, I'm just gonna take the rest and blend it into my eyelid. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take my skin color and blend the top. Blend, blend, blend. Once I'm done, and voila, we are done. We are ready to go. Thank you for watching. As always, stay beautiful inside and out. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.